I just wanted to go down because of think she for me amor. She gonna work some more. Hey guys. Then she started dancing, sexual. Uy, did you miss this jacket? Did you miss this jacket? She's confident, oh no. Ang iksi, no? Naiksihan ko siya masyado. Ang init kasi ng panahon eh. Feels so good, damn. And I don't know why. Explosive. I can still smell her perfume. Hypnotized by the way she moves. Ganyan na lang. She's got my attention. Oh no no, oh no no. Okay na yan. Ganyan na, messy. And I'm down with it. Oh no no, oh no no. To the way she walks in the room. First time. Picture my life, feels so good, damn. And I don't know why. Thank you for the gift, Karen and John and Robin. And Jen and I love Keegan. Tattoos, piercings, and she just learned to twerk. She ain't gonna hard on the ass, just a brain's gonna ask on the learning curve. And she loves to earn the verb, I mean burn the words that the doctors know. Real deep podcast like a doctor's quote. They feel like did I hear back trying to rock a boat. She the first mate trying to rock a boat. She never forget about like a bicycle. She like 20 change the bicycle. I know, honey bunny, that's a funny thing. That's good for the good, for the she money then. Oh no no. Oh no no, she's confident. Oh no no, oh no no. My ads! My ads! What to expect? Siyempre hindi mawawala yung ads. Diba? Andyan na yan eh. Anong magagawa natin? Yun. Hindi ako satisfied sa buhok ko. I've been knowing you for long enough, damn I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while. Said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say time to play. You never seen that. Hey, do me right, do me right. Wala, give up na ako sa boko. I'll leave it messy. Turn off the light. Yun. Safe. Okay na yan. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Waking up, she on me. Good love in the morning. Get on top my...
Hindi na tayo gangster eh. Hindi na tayo geng-geng eh. Your opinion of me is glorifying in all these forests. Back to future in the lowering.
You ain't used to feeling it's important. Cars important, girls important, insubordinate, get deported.
Ano na tayo guys? Good boy. Ay! Ay!
let me slap.
Sabi mo, just come over. Ang pakikita natin napapadalas, ilahatid sa lomo pa ko sa tapat kahit hindi naman dapat. Ani kong pasasalamat. First I was good, you being my homebody. When I blacked out, my sofa is your body. Till I no longer wanna be just your shawty. And I only want nobody but you. Good with you being my homebody. Yung tibok hindi ko pa napapakinggan eh. I no longer wanna be just your shawty. And I only want nobody but you. Nobody but you.
Late night. Di ko din alam kung ano bakit pati paano sumakay kami same flight. Kung di pa nga ako.
May ads! Dumalawa pa! Dumalawa pa! Uy, gangster. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wait lang, kukunin ako.
Ikaw na lang ang katabi ngayong gabi. Pwede tayong magpagbago na lalagni. Ang mga kasindi, buong gabi. Hinahanap kasi ng tama ang nagkamali. Ikaw na lang ang katabi ngayong gabi. Pwede tayong magpagbago habang malamig.
Kasi tamad akong kumuha ng tubig. So, ganito na lang kalaki.
Masarap kasi ng tama kahit na mali. Tayo sa dibding nung walang may kita.
Buksan mo ng palihim, meron kang sorpresa. Huwag ka sa'kin maaning, di ako pwede.
Habang walang nakatingin, samantalahin.
Ano na? Puro kayo gangster song, ano ba? Hindi na nga ako gangster. I'm not a gangster na nga eh. Mukhang tayo'y nabutan
Sa gitna ng daan,
I can't find my glasses. The black one, the gangster one. Randa naman kung gaano kainit ka na kamay sa pagitan ng hita. Di na kailangan biglang lumiko at nanggigilid na nakapre. Di makapigil, gusto ko ng babae, huli na makarating. Sa loob naman ng passenger seat, empty road full. Meron tayong space sa likod mo kung sisindi na taklob nang masilip sa loob.
sa loob ng aking BMW sa type of fucking second BMW
Ang iksi ng buhok ko.
hindi malapot na masilip sa loob ng aking BMW sa type.
Kahit anong pwesto, kung saan ka kontento, yung titig ko diretso lang sa'yo habang binabayo. Pwede ba take it slow, basta walang ihinto. Pausaya mo lang tumulo, looking like a porn. Gusto pa lang ng umul mo, give me some more. Habang kulog, patayin mo na yung makina, yeah. Aking ka na. Loob naman ang passenger seat and the road full. Meron tayong space sa likod. May ads! My gosh! Hindi na matapos-tapos. Pag-usapan muna natin ang iyong gabi. Ikaw ang pahinga ko, mahal. Lumiliwanag aking ngiti kapag kausap na kita. Pasensya lang kung babalik pa rin sa atin. Kahit di mo ko hanapin, magpapalipin lang sa'yo. Pinapawi mo ang uhaw ng aking puso, sabik sa lalim ng pagtingin mo para sa'kin. Pag napansin mo na ako, papaunawa ko agad sa'yo na isa lang ang hinahanap ko. Ikaw naman, ikaw naman. Kung papalarin na, mapapasakin ba? Di alam kung ba't sa puso pangalan mo lang ang tanging laman. Hindi alam kung ba't mas sinusunod mo pang iyong mga talo. At di ang nararamdaman sa akin, ngunit thank you for the gifts. Kahit di mo ko hanapin, magpapalipin lang sa'yo. Pinapawi mo ang uhaw ng aking puso, sabik sa lahim ng pagtingin mo para sa'kin. Pag napansin mo na ako, papaunawa ko agad sa'yo na isa ang hinahanap ko. Ikaw naman, ikaw naman. Kung papalarin ka, mapapasakin ba? Taas. May ads!
Sali na sa Sprite Collect and Win Summer Promo!
What's this? I don't want love if love isn't from you. I don't want her if she isn't you. You're always on my mind, that's how much I care. I can't think of a time that you weren't there. I know that I'd be lying if I didn't want you here. 'Cause baby, I'm in love, and why can't you just live near? Ngano layo kay ka, wala tayong mabuhat. Kung dili ka sa akong tupad, atog tag sinima. Nguan mga unta, kaon bisag asa. Ika'y pili, ako'y bayad, ako na'y bahala. Yeah, oh yeah. Ako na'y bahala. Ay, Bisaya ba to? Kala ko Spanish. Of course, I know what this song is. Sayang kong LDR, 'cause I know what happens to them. They always fall apart. But now you've changed my mind, 'cause you're the girl I want in life. I want you to have my heart. You're mine and I am yours. I don't want love she isn't you. You're always on my mind. That's how much I care. I can't think of a time that you weren't there. I know that I'd be lying if I didn't want you here. 'Cause baby, I'm in love, and why can't you just leave me? You're always on my mind. That's how much I care. I can't think of a time that... Let's play ano. Ito talaga kanta ang gangster to. Ads lang yan, guys. You need to stay calm, kalmado, chill. Ito, gangster. I met a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in a castle with my new family. In a school that's just for royalty. A whole enchanted world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be Sophia the first. I'm finding out what being royal's all about. Making my way, it's an adventure every day. It's gonna be my time to show them all that I'm Sophia the first. Yeah! Yan ang pang gangster. Kung hindi nyo alam yan, hindi kayo certified, hindi kayo certified na dancer. Gangster. Only true people knows that. Gang sign yan. Mabilis lang kaya din yung makita. Wanna be a vacuum cleaner, breathing in the dust. Wanna be a Ford Cortina, I will never rush. If you like your coffee hot, let me be your coffee pot. You call it shot, babe, I just wanna be yours. Secrets I have had in my heart are too hot, and I thought maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Let me be all that you need to. And I'll never run out. Let me be the portable heater. The child get cold without. I still remember 3rd of December, me in your sweater. You said it looked better on me, and it did. You only if you knew how much I liked you. But I watch your eyes as she walks by, waiting aside for sore eyes, brighter than a blue sky. She's got you mesmerized while I die. Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave her a sweater, it's just polyester, but you like her better. I wish I were Heather. Watch as she stands with her holding your hand, put your arm around her shoulder. Now I'm getting colder, but how could I hate her? She's such an angel, But then again, kinda wish she were dead as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than a blue sky. She's got you mesmerized while I die. I wish you ever kiss me.
New Great Taste
May ads.
Mas creamy, mas makape, mas pinasarap.
I don't really give a damn about the way it's
Touch me when we're alone. You can hold my hand if no one's home. Do you like it when I'm away? If I went hurt my body, baby, would you love me the same? I can feel all my bones coming back and I'm craving motion. By yourself, it's a curse, and it's growing. You're a pond and I'm an ocean. All my emotions feel like explosions when you were around, and I found a way to kill the sound. Oh baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need to hear you stay out. Going back to the corner where I first saw you. Can't be my sleeping bag, I'm not gonna move. Words on a cardboard, got your picture in my head. If you see this girl, can you tell her where I am? Oh, umiiyak na naman kayo. You guys are crying na naman. You know I don't want that, right? Walang iiyak tonight. We're gonna vibe. Walang relapse. We're gonna chill, okay? You listen to me na lang. I'm gonna sing any songs that is really positive or gangster. Yeah? Gangster. Uy! What's this? Posibleng hindi nyo to alam sa mga nanonood sa akin always. I'm a criminal, what can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna mind sick, I just wanna fucking need an antidote, yeah. I'm a criminal, what can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna mind sick, feelings wicked, ain't this to me, yeah. Looking drowning so high, room spinning, no why. Boys, some mob that stuck on me, thinking I will let you see. How about you let me take it? Running on my mind, just stop it. Why can I have you? Was so confused every single time.
Tryna make a scene, yeah. Tryna sing a song, yeah.
I'm so addicted, high on you. 7 foot dream on myself, yeah.
So what gotta do is do me. You don't provoke me. How about you just give it to me, huh? See you got me personality.
I just want to take you off my mind. Just take your time. I just want to take you off my mind. Just take your time.
You know I can take it, huh? You know I can take it, yeah. You know I can take it, huh? You know I can take it, yeah.
You know I can take it now. I can take it now. I can take it now, yeah. I'm gonna take it now. I can take it.
Hi, my name is Stitch. Have you seen my friend Lola? My name is Stitch.
Kung sa mani, something I wanna say a little. Ay napagdagubay ay kupahulog dali dere. Ay kahalog na kubali dere. I'm so obsessed with dere. I got a test that wanna see. Uncover that I gotta say. Kung sa mani, something I wanna say a little. Ay napagdagubay dere. Ay Kahit hindi ko dali dire. Ay kahadog na ko bali dire. I'm so obsessed with dire. I'm gonna test the wanna see. Uncover that I gotta see. I'm coming out, I can't lie. Take it off tonight. I don't wanna mess it. I just want to know. Are you Bisaya? I don't know. What's wrong, Alidere? Wow! Nag-count ka na ba, love?
Just take your time.
Lahat ng
Pagmamahal at oras na aking binigay, parang di mo pansin ang sama ko sa iyong paningin. Oh, diba nakakautang? Hindi tayo gaganyan. Hindi tayo gaganyan today. Okay? Ano tayo? Mabuting impluwensya sa mga kabataan. Wow! Ito na lang. I think kung sa'yo ikaw ay akin, ganda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon ay nag-iisa. Sana ay tabihan na sa ilalim ng puti-lang, sa dilang labuan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, ayokong mabuhay ng malungkot. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya at makakasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Halina tayo'y humiga sa ilalim ng puti-lang, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, siyempre tatalikod na ako. Ito na yung pipiyok ako eh. Pipiyok na ako dito eh, so sanay naman na kayo sa gantong setup, no? Okay? Ito na eh. Ito na yung best part eh. So kailangan di tayo may kita pag pumiyok tayo. Okay? Ang iyong ganda'y umabot sa buwan. dito sa akin. Ikaw ang mahal, ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Pakinggan ang puso at damdamin, damdamin aking damdamin. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, hindi ko na kaya yan. Huwag na kayong umasa. Hindi na kaya yan. Yung dulo. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Wala na, pipiyok na ako dyan. Hindi ko na-reach yan. Sinabi mo na akong iyong mahal. Panaginip ko'y katotohanan natin. Di makapaniwala sa iyo. Bakit ba puso ko'y laging ganito? Sinungaling ka, hindi mo naman akong mahal. Paulit-ulit lamang ang puso kong laging sinasaktan. Umasa kong kahit alam ko na wala naman akong pagkakataon. Umasa kong kahit alam ko na di naman magiging tayo. Sinabi mo na akong iyong mahal. Panaginip ko'y katotohanan natin. Di makapaniwala sa iyo. Umiyak na naman kayo eh. Sinasabi ko eh. You guys are crying again. Lang. Hindi ko na alam, hindi ko ata kayang pigilan ang puso ko. Pero ako'y nahulog, di ka lang sumalo. Pero iba ang pinaramdam mo noon. Mahal mo ba ako? Meron pa bang tayo? O naging tayo ba? Sinabi mo na yun lang. Yun lang. Ayun lang. Hindi ko alam yung tibok. Hindi ko pa naaral yung tibok. Sa tuwing ika'y makita, para bang hindi ko kayang isipin na ika'y panaginip. Sa'yo lang ako nagmahal ng ganito. Ang iyong mahal, katotohanan natin. Uy! May ads! May ads! Another ads! Okay, ads lang yan. Kalma. This is Don't cry, snowman, not in front of me. Who'll catch your thieves if you can't catch me, darling? If you can't catch me, darling. Don't cry, snowman, don't leave me this way. A bottle of water can hold me close, baby. Can hold me close, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I'm Mr. Snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, zero. High from the sun, I love you forever, and we'll have some fun. Let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry, no tears now. It's Christmas, baby, my snowman and me. My snowman and me, baby. Don't cry, snowman, don't even feel the sun. Who carry me without legs to run, honey? Without legs to run, honey. Don't cry, snowman, don't live through the tear. Who will hear my secret if you don't have this, baby? If you don't have this, baby. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I'm Mr. Snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. High from the sun, and we'll have some fun. And live happily, please don't cry, no tears now. My snowman and me, my snowman and me, baby, oh baby. Sakit sa lalamunan mo, baby. Okay. Napagod ako. Kailangan natin ng pampagana. Tayo ay magko-commercial. Commercial again. Commercial. I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in a castle with my new family. In a school that's just for royalty. A whole enchanted world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be Sophia the First. I'm finding out what being royal's all about. Making my way, it's an adventure every day. It's gonna be my time to show that I'm Sophia the First. Yeah! Okay, may battery na ulit tayo. Nakapag-charge ng ating energy. Our energy is back. Okay. Ano naman? Ito sobrang angas ko talaga. Pag naririnig ko to, feeling ko nasa show ako. Oo, feeling ko ako si Daming Sue. Pag ito yung kanta. Sunshine! How do you fall in love? Harder than a bullet could hit you. How do we fall apart? Ito yung time na ihampas ko yung cake ko. Bang! Bibigyan ako ng cake, ihampas ko. Yeah! Daming Sue! So shut your mouth and run me like a river. Naubos yung energy ko. Commercial! Maangas mode. This is maangas mode na tayo. been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line with the skies, with the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. And the wind and my sail in the sea stays behind me. One day I'll know. If I got there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island
Seems so happy
on
on
this
this
island.
Everything is by design.
Wala, nandun pa rin yung ano eh.
Everybody on this
Nandun pa rin.
has all roll on this island. So maybe I can roll with mine.
Kailangan na natin nilabas ang ating pang-gangster mode. May ads!
Mas madami ka nang malalaman.
Dito na natin nilalabas yung angas natin. Ito na ang kanta ng mga maangas na taong kagaya ko. Dito ko kinukuha ang energy ng kaangasan ko.
All the girls on the block knocking at my door. Wanna know what it is, need the boys want more. Is your lover playing on your side? Said he loves you, but he ain't got time. Here's the answer, come and get it at a knockdown price.
Dito ko kinukuha ang angas.
To make him sweet, so ballin', just to help him see what he's been missing. So come and get it, while you still got time. Get your boy on his knees and repeat after me, sing. Take a step on the secret potion, I'll make you fall in love. First love that can't be broken, watch out, should be in love. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe,
It's all black magic, and it's all black magic.
take a sip on the secret potion. One taste and you'll be mine. It's a spell that can't be broken. It'll keep you on my mind.
Diyan kinukuha ang lakas.
To me,
I got the recipe, it's all black magic, and it's all black magic.
you're looking for Mr. Right. Need that magic to change you over.
Go lang, gusto nyo malaman kung saan ko kinukuha ang sobrang angas ko? Ang paano maging isang certified gangster from the hood. This is the song. Yeah. Yeah, nice to meet you, where you been. I can show you incredible things.
Magic,
Madness, haven't seen. Saw you there and I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my best mistake. Loves again, wanna play. Yeah! New morning, suited tie. I can read you like a magazine. Funny rumors flies.
I know you heard about me.
Be so hey, let's be friends. Oh, this one's ends. In my head, I can make a bad guy's look for a weekend.
So it's gonna be forever.
Oh, it's gonna go down a flame. You can tell me that it's over. Where's the pain? Oh, it's lovers. I'll tell you I'm insane. You know I love the players, and you love the game. Diyan kinukuha ang angas. Tapos ito, pag may kipag-away ka na, dapat ito yung tugtugan mo. Bad blood.
So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now
Kailangan yan yung maangas.
now we got problems. And I don't
Ayan, para maangas ka, dapat ganyan ito ng ang yung background music. Pampalakas yan. Pag ganyan ka, maangas ka. Sobrang angas mo. Tapos pag ano, sobrang angas mo. Yung gustong-gusto mo, yung sobrang gangster mo. This is the song for you. This song is for you. Kunwari, you fought someone. Diba? And you don't have any song for it. This is the song for you.
I don't like your little games. Don't like your tilted stage. The role you make me play. A fool. No, I don't like you. I don't like your perfect crime.
Ang paangas yan.
You laugh when you lie. You said the gun was mine. It's cool. No, I don't like you. But I got smarter, I got harder in the nick of time. Honey, I rose up from the dead. I do it all the time. I gotta listen.
Tapos, if you wanna be ano, sobrang angas, you're ano, wait lang. Wait. Saglit. Let me search it up. Ito, if you really like someone and you can find the right song for it. Ito. Sobrang pogi ang angas mo dito.
Alright, let's go. There's
Gonna be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl.
It's gonna be one less lonely, one less lonely, one less lonely girl.
Only I told you sex starts over there. You cried on before.
How many
Promises, be honest, girl. How many tears you let hit the floor?
How many bags you take just to take them back? Tell me
Ayan mga kanta ng mga gangster.
there's no more. If you let me inside of your world,
It's gonna be one less lonely girl. So many pretty faces before I saw you.
you, now all I see is you. I'm coming for
For
you.
you.
Coming for you. Don't need these other pretty faces.
Ito, sobrang angas mo talaga pag ito ang pinatugtog mo. Wait. Wala nakakatalo dito? Ito mga hidden music taste ng mga gangster na kagaya ko. Ito mga hidden music taste. You know? Ito yan. Ito mga pang gangster.
Elsa?
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? Doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Pang gangster yan. Pang maangas yan. Do you wanna build a snowman? Or ride our bikes around the halls? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the wall.
Hang in there, Joan. It gets a little lonely.
All these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Diba? Pang gangster yan. That's for a gangster like me. Ito ang pinakamaangas talaga. No one can beat this. Wait lang, may ads. Pero kalmado tayo. It's just an ads. Pinapakitaan ko kayo ng gangster music taste ko. I'm giving you gangster tips. Pag nasa hood ka, kailangan kabisado mo to. Remember me. Though I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my arms. I'll sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me. Though I have to travel far, remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm with you the only way that I can be. Until you're in my arms again. Remember me. Yan ang mga gangster.
So what I believe you were trying to say.
Chika, ito. Pag may bagong pasok sa hood,
You're welcome.
this song you need to know.
I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever say that?
This is the song you need to know.
What's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the
Thank you for the gift.
bod. When you're staring at the demigod.
What can I say except you're welcome?
For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay,
You're welcome.
I'm just an ordinary demiguy. Hey, what has two thumbs and pulled at the sky? When you were waddling yay high, this guy. When the nights
Yun ang mga,
got cold,
alam nyo na yung tips kung paano maging gangster.
Looking at him, yo.
Alam nyo na. Just gusto mo yung sobrang angas na people will look up into you. Yung tipong magtutulala sila lahat sa inyo. Huh. I know the right song for you. Ito. Sobrang angas na ito. Pang gangster ito. Pang gangster talaga to. Swear. Ito. Tutulala ang mga tao sa'yo. Saglit, may ads.
Kaya ba?
Wait.
DRB with Blue.
Ito talaga. Pang gangster. Can you hear that? Naririnig nyo ng gangster aura? The presence of the gangster mode. Wait for Prince Ali. Say hey, it's Prince Ali. Hey you, let us do. It's a bright new star. Oh come, be the first on your block to meet his eyes. Make way, here comes, ring bells, bang the drums. You're gonna love this guy. Prince Ali, fabulously, Ali Ababa. Give respect, down on our knees. No, try your best to stay calm. Brush up your Sunday salon. The coming meet is spectacular coterie. Prince Ali, mighty, you see, Ali Ababa. Strongest than regular men, definitely. He faced the galloping hordes, 100 bad guys with sword, who sent to spoons to their lords. Why Prince Ali? 25 golden camels. Yan ang gangster. Salifan Alibaba. How can I speak wicked than me? To build on that square, I just surveil and prepare to gawk and grow and stare at Prince Ali. 9 different white Persian monkeys, and to view them he charges no fee. This can save you from flunkies. We love to him, they're just lost with a loyalty to him. Ano? Inantok na kayo sa gangster mode ko, it means hindi kayo tunay na gangster. Ganun yun. Pag inantok kayo sa gangster song ko, it means you're not really a gangster. The gangster blood is not for you. Uy. Mukhang tayo'y nabutan sa gitna ng daan. Ilagay mo na ang gamit sa aking paahan. Wala nararuan, tayo ay nasa lilim. Sasabihin ng lihim, nandun naman kung gaano kain. Kalang kamay sa pagitan ng hita, habang isa ay nagmamaneho. Di na kailangan biglang lumiko at tigilid na nakapreno. Di makapigil, gusto ko ng babae, huli na makarating, bigyan ng magandang gamit. Tinanapin sa kalog naman ang passenger seat, enter on 4-seater para meron tayong space sa likod. Sulitin ang mo kung sisindi na tatlo, di malagot ng masilip sa loob ng aking BMW sedan. BMW sedan, hindi malagot ng masilip sa loob ng BMW sedan. Kahit anong pwesto, kung saan ka kontento, yung titig ko diretso lang sa'yo habang binabayo. Pwede bang take it slow, basta walang hihinto. Bawal saya mo lang tumululugan like a porn. Gusto ko lang ng ungol mo, give me some more habang kulog. Patayin mo na yung makina, yeah. Nanginit na ang aking gana. Sige magalit ka, fuck me harder. So just sit and your own fault. Uy. Uy. Ay. I just got a new guy and it's getting me fly. I'm pretty sure that my ex had a scar on decline. I just wanna buy all the finer things in life more, and I got that crazy mind. I'm suffering all just by myself. I don't need another artist for some help. Speaking Spanish and English as well. I'm Filipino if you couldn't fucking tell. Kagagising ko lang. Kagagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang. I'm 4'11". Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako wincheck pero matay naniningkit. Sa dibdib ay naniningkit. Kung ako ang gusto mo, I'd like to see you fucking try. Die for me, right for me. Had a lot of things to hide from me. You lie to me, if you smile it's real. I just gotta. O kaya ibalot mo na lang ro. Marami pa ako dito, mga sambo. 4'11" lang ako, hindi to mapapagod. Kaya ipasa mo sa kanan o sa kaliwa. Malakas ang aking at lahat nagagawa. 24 oras na akong dito nakatulala. Hey! Yeah! Ba't masyadong mabilis, baka ikay magmadali. Mas ka magmamal. Etong bahay kasi namin, ito yung ano, yung height ko, 4'11". Etong house ko kasi, dito nagstay dati si Snow White. Etong bahay na to, dito nagstay si Snow White before. Kaya, yung ceilings niya medyo mababa lang, yung tipong abot na abot ko lang. Ito, chill lang, ganyan. Kasi dito nagstay dati si Cinderella, si Snow White. Alam mo naman yung mga kasama ni Snow White, di ba? Kami yun. 4'11" ba? Kami yung kasama ni Snow White nun. Kung hindi nyo na itatanong. Wait lang. May ads! Mag-bonakate preschool. Yeah. Nawala. Yawa. Ayan. Never thought about the day that I've been needing more of this feeling. I can't hide it to you anymore. The way you look, the way you move, heating up the floor. And baby, you got us something special knocking on my door. Oh, baby, you know, no, I can't control all of this feeling, babe. Stop teasing me, no, I ain't playing games. Ain't no playing games. See, I just wanna let you know that I don't wanna see you go. Go ahead and leave me hanging, wishing, yearning for some more. I don't wanna lie, gusto mahawakan palagi mo ang kamay. Ang makasama ka, di ko na mahihintay, so I should go. I should go too. Baby, you know I can't control. Stop teasing me. Ain't no playing games. Lately I can go to sleep, think about you and I, but honestly, baby, you're my remedy to all this pain in me. Oh, baby, you know, I can control. Uy! Yeah, gangster mode. Gangster mode. Nalino ko na bang gusto ko sa'kin ka lang? Sa'yo na ka nang pakialam kung bakit lagi ganito sa madaming dahilan. Sinatabi ako'y nag-iingat lang. Nalino ko na bang gusto ko sa'kin ka lang? Sa'yo na ka nang pakialam kung bakit laging ganito sa madaming dahilan. Sinatabi ako'y nag-iingat lang. Uy, wait! What's this? What's this? My gosh! What's this? Uy! Geng geng! Grabe! Ang galing mong sumayaw, galing mong gumalaw, galing mong sumayaw, galing Galing mong sumayaw, bibong kumalaw. Oh, Mr. Suave, yung atake, kitang-kita sa galaw. Ibang klase na sasabi mo palagi pagtanaw. Kahit saman tayo ay handa mong isigaw yung pangalan mo sa ngalan ng pag-ibig na ligaw. May hinahanap ako eh, can't find it. Kahit na walang sinabi ang kinakasama mo, kahit na maging pangalawa ko, di mo magpagmalaki, dapat lang malaman mo. Konting oras tumatawag ka sa number ko, hindi ako katabi mo dyan ngayong gabi. Inaantok na ako. I'll live na lang next time, guys. Because tinamaan na ako ng antok ko. And yeah, I'll see you next live. Matulog na rin kayong lahat. Make sure na maga kayo magising tomorrow sa mga may pasok dyan. Yun. Sweet dreams, everyone. Take care of your health. And yeah, I'll see you next live. I'll update na lang mamaya sa next time sa broadcast if may plans ako doing live, ganun. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching and